Alright, now I'm recording. I'm recording, yeah.
Oh, hello there. It's another day. Chopping wood.
Okay, that was a good one.
I know it was. All of them are good. Providing fire for my friend Iris. $5 says I split this right here. Here we go.
Okay.
Oh,
careful.
Feels good chopping wood. An old friend Gary gave me a few good tips. It's easy as pie now. Oh yeah.
Almost.
Almost. Hold on, Blue. I'm almost done. It's a big one.